Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can buy Bitcoin through Acorn. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. So, can you buy Bitcoin through Acorn? The answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. What is Acorn? Acorn is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment services, including a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is a computer program that helps you invest your money based on your goals and risk tolerance. Acorn makes it easy to invest your money, even if you're not a financial expert. You can set up your account in just a few minutes and start investing with as little as $5. How to buy Bitcoin through Acorn. So, how do you buy Bitcoin through Acorn? It's actually very simple. Here's what you need to do. Sign up for an Acorn account. Connect your bank account to Acorn. Choose the Bitcoin investment option. Decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Click the Buy button. That's it. You're now a Bitcoin owner. Pros and cons of buying Bitcoin through Acorn. There are a few pros and cons to buying Bitcoin through Acorn. Pros. Easy to use, Acorn is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up your account and start investing. Low fees, Acorn charges low fees, which makes it a good option for small investors. Diversification, Acorn allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including Bitcoin. This can help you diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Cons. Limited selection of cryptocurrencies, Acorn only allows you to invest in Bitcoin. If you're interested in investing in other cryptocurrencies, you'll need to use a different platform. Higher fees than some other platforms. While Acorn's fees are low, they're still higher than some other platforms that allow you to buy Bitcoin. No access to advanced features, Acorn doesn't offer any advanced features, such as margin trading or shorting. Alternatives to Acorn. If you're looking for a platform that offers more features than Acorn, there are a few other options available. Here are a few of the most popular options. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and features. Robinhood. Robinhood is a brokerage app that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro. eToro is a social trading platform that allows you to copy the trades of other investors. So, can you buy Bitcoin through Acorn? Yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. Acorn is a good option for beginners who are looking for an easy way to invest in Bitcoin. However, if you're looking for more features, you may want to consider using a different platform. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time. I hope this helps.